Now I move into the entryway where I change out candles to a more seasonable color and decorate the desk. I like to change the books to go with the color also of the season. And one of my favorite things to do is change out the greenery in any kind of container. This is a little frame that will hang right over this fence. Changed out the greenery in the fence thing too. I add some bells to the side of the mantle, and then I put out the pillows that I wrapped the ribbon around. I love this print. I think that's so nice for the holidays. So I'm going to put it in this old frame here. And I don't know where the back is that was in it, so I'm just going to put a canvas behind it. Isn't that pretty though? Back in the entryway, I work on hanging the skates. And I want to put that picture somewhere near the skates. Pictures of, it's an old picture. And it's got a picture of an old man with a little Christmas tree, and his son looks like pulling a sled. As you can see, I decided that I wanted to change the greenery on the fireplace, on the mantle, straight across. I had an extra strip of fabric left from the strips that I cut to use for ribbon on for those pillows, and then the little pillows. And I wanted some kind of table runner on the dining room table. So I had this piece, folded it in half, left an opening in the middle, sewed it all the way to the ends. Then I measured 4 inches down from this end and the other, and just made an angle straight up to this center seam. Now let's see how it turns out for a little table runner. So we're gonna cut those seams there. Just going to turn it inside out. Doesn't take a very big opening there to do this. Want to get those corners and this part nice and smooth. This is just a piece of fabric that would have gone into my scrap pile or closet, adding to the rest, and I thought this is just too pretty. I can use it for something, and I needed a runner on that table edge here. How you press it will make all the difference in how nice it ends up as far as how it's going to lay. I wanted to use this candle stand. I didn't have enough pillars to go in it, so I decided I would put little Christmas trees. And I think that turned out cute. And then I put a ribbon underneath that says Merry Christmas. And I ended up adding some lights just a little bit later, a few lights. Don't forget to watch my Christmas home tour next week, where all this will come together. Thanks for watching.